Knocking on Heaven's Door, Bob Dylan. Let's get started. Hey, Aaron Smith here. This is Bob Dylan's song, Knocking on Heaven's Door. Now, I play guitar too, and I used to play this in A minor, starting in A minor. But since I've played along with the song, so if you're in 440 tuning, no matter what your instrument is, and you can play right along with this song. So it's in F sharp. Starts in F sharp instead of A minor. So you can play right along with this song. Okay, begins like this. Real easy. Yeah, this song's basically for beginners, so I'm breaking it way down. So here you go. I'll do it again. It's F sharp, so I'll go a little bit slower. I'll do that. Just bounce on that chord. Playing the bass notes to that chord. So it goes, Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. So if you notice, this is every other one. So you're going. And then you go with this one. There it is. And the whole song is like this. Take this badge off of me. 'Cause I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Now I'm just bouncing back and forth, same chord there. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Okay, there's that part, then the chorus. But yeah, it's a pretty easy song. And I got a lot of songs like this I'll be doing. And you'll be able to play along with most of them too. So the chorus goes, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Then you go, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Same chords. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. And back to the verse. Mama, put my gun this note here. Fills it up pretty good. Just bounce. So you only do the bass part on the chorus. But all the other parts, you don't do that bass part. So you go, with the chorus. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. You only do that part with the chorus, and the rest, the verses, you don't do it with. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. So there you go. Real simple, real easy. Just work with your chords and that bass line I showed you. So there it is, Bob Dylan, Knocking on Heaven's Door. Now you will see what your next lesson is going to be. Till next time, later.